law group based in Atlanta, Georgia. We handle immigration cases nationally across the country. Today I'm going to be answering the question of, can my son or daughter petition for me to help me get legal status in the United States? That is a question I get all the time as I'm a practicing attorney, and I think it's a question that would be properly fit to answer today. So let's go to some basics. First, in order for your son or daughter to petition for you, there's two things they have to be. One, they have to be a United States citizen. I have so many people who say, well, my son or daughter is a legal permanent resident, they got married to a United States citizen who petitioned for them. Can they petition for me as a legal permanent resident? Unfortunately, the answer is no. Two, they have to be 21 years or older. If your son or daughter is 18 or 19, of course, as you know, is under 21, they're not going to be able to petition for you. So you'll have to wait till they get to that golden age of adulthood of 21 so that they can then petition for you. So you've got it. You've got a United States citizen son or daughter, and they're 21 years or older. You're golden. Yay, let's break out the champagne. But wait, let's stop, because we still have to get to the real question of, can you get legal status because of your son or daughter petitioning for you? And the answer is all based on how you entered the United States. If you entered the United States with a visa, then yes, you will be able to adjust your status here in the United States. And that's going to be great because you'll never have to leave the United States. The only other way that you will be able to have your son or daughter petition for you and you are able to adjust here in the United States is if you had someone prior to April the 30th of 2001. That is a key date. Remember, it's April the 30th of 2001. If you had a father, a sister, an employer petition for you prior to that date, then you too can be protected under a law called 245I and adjust your status here in the United States. Now, you will have to pay a fine of $1,000 to do that, but still you get that privilege of being able to adjust your status. If you are in the precarious situation of not having someone to previously petition for you and you did not enter with a visa, so you entered without any legal authority by the United States government, then you are going to have to go through a process called consular processing. And that's going to require you to go back to your home country to have your final visa interview. So then what happens when you go to that visa interview? Do you get approved and be able to come back into the United States? Or are they going to tell you that you have to wait? The answer is they're going to tell you you have to wait, unless you qualify for a waiver. A waiver is a document or an application, basically a pardon, that allows you to be able to not have to stay out of the country for 10 years. Yes, you heard me correctly, 10 years. Most people who do not have a qualified relative, unfortunately, and so they have to make a decision. Are they going to wait out of the country for 10 years, or are they going to stay in the country and just continue to wait to see if immigration reform happens? I can't tell you what to do, but I will tell you this: 10 years is going to happen no matter what. So it may be in your best interest to go ahead and do the 10 years so then you know you can come back into the United States and live the rest of your life with your family here and not have to worry about that. Well, that is all for today. Again, remember, the most important thing is your son or daughter can petition for you. That's always going to get approved, so long as they are a United States citizen and they are 21 years old. But the main question that we always have to remember is, can you get legal status? Will you be able to adjust here in the United States? And that answer is all dependent on how you entered the United States. With a visa or being covered under 245I, then yes, you will be able to become a legal permanent resident through your son or daughter. If you enter without inspection and you have never had any valid entry in the United States, then you're going to have to wait the 10 years unless you qualify for a waiver. Please give my office a call because these processes are very complicated and I love helping families stay together. I've been practicing immigration law for more than 10 years and I really enjoy it because I love helping families stay together because I've always had a family that's been very close. My office phone number is 404-315-7222 and we're conveniently located in Atlanta, Georgia, right off of Buford Highway. Thank you and have a wonderful day.